Alright, 2011 X6 transfer case fluid DIY. We're going to use this stuff straight from the dealer. This matched up to the VIN. I believe it's just a 75 weight oil, but 1 liter should be enough. Now we go underneath. And that brace 100% has to come off because your fill plug and possibly your drain plug will be blocked by that brace. Luckily, FCP has a nice DIY that tells you that you can take that brace off without needing to support anything else. So that is a big plus, but don't leave it in this position for too long. I'm just going to do it just long enough so I can drain the fluid and fill it back up. The other part that you need to remove is that plastic under panel over there. There's a bunch of 8 mils and some 10 mil plastic nuts. Now when we get under the car, you got your drain right here. This is facing the front of the car, and then you got your fill right here. Pretty simple to do. I don't believe you got anything else on the other side to touch, so pretty straightforward. Again, this thing is 100% blocked. This one is very close, so to make your life easier, take those off. It's six 16 millimeter bolts, and then to get to this guy, it's an 18 mil bolt and a nut on the other side. You may not have an offset wrench that's deep enough to go into here, but what you are able to do is just take an open-ended one and just use the flat sides to hold it, and then just impact it off, and you will be good to go. So that is a very quick DIY on how to do this. Again, stuff has to come off. Don't be scared. Again, I got nothing supporting that, and this thing only dropped about an inch, and it has stayed there. So do this job quick. Don't let this stay for a week at a time, and you won't really cause any damage. Thanks for watching.